You work hard every month, but somehow your money disappears just as fast as it comes. You're not saving, you're not investing, and you're stuck in a cycle that feels impossible to escape. If that sounds like you, this video will change how you see money forever. Welcome to Financial Growth Code, where you learn how to take control of your money and build real financial freedom. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to stop living paycheck to paycheck, step by step. Let's start with the truth. Most people think they're broke because they don't earn enough, but that's not always the real problem. The real issue is lack of financial structure, poor money habits, and uncontrolled spending. If you don't control your money will control you. The first step is simple. Know exactly how much you earn and exactly how much you spend. Most people avoid this because it's uncomfortable, but clarity is power. Create a basic budget that covers only essentials: food, rent, transport. Everything else? Optional. This gives you control again. This is where most people fail. You have to be honest. Cut subscriptions, impulse buying, unnecessary spending. It might feel uncomfortable, but it's temporary. Start saving, no matter how small. Even $10 a week matters. Your goal is to build a safety net. You can only cut so much. At some point, you must earn more. Start a side hustle. Learn a skill. Use your phone to make money. When you earn more, don't spend more. That's how people stay stuck. Increase income, but keep expenses controlled. Set automatic savings. Remove the temptation to spend. Make saving a system, not a choice. You don't escape paycheck to paycheck with luck. You escape it with discipline. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how you manage it. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Your future depends on what you do today.
Now that you've stopped the leaks, it's time to build the engine. Most people think investing is only for the rich. But the rich are rich because they started investing when they had nothing. Even small amounts, when left alone, turn into a force of nature over time. This is how you stop trading your hours for dollars. The biggest enemy of your progress isn't your bank account. It's your social media feed. We spend money we don't have on things we don't need to impress people we don't even like. True wealth is silent. It's the freedom to say no to a job you hate. It's the peace of mind when the car breaks down. Stop looking at their highlight reel and focus on your foundation. Don't try to fix your whole life in one day. Just aim to be 1% better than you were yesterday. Save 1% more. Learn for 15 minutes. Cancel one unused subscription. Success is a series of small wins that eventually become a landslide of results. If you can master your habits, you can master your destiny. I'm challenging you right now. For the next 90 days, commit to the structure we've discussed. Track every cent. Cut the fluff. Build that starter emergency fund. By the end of 3 months, you won't just have more money. You'll have a different brain. You'll realize that financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a math problem. And you finally have the formula. You have the tools. You have the code. Now, you just need the courage to start. If you're ready to break the cycle, comment "Freedom" below so we know you're in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Financial Growth Code for more blueprints to your best life. Your future self is waiting. We'll see you in the next video.